we are in Ollantaytambo, and I'm gonna show you the Airbnb where we're staying. So when you first enter here, it's the kitchen and a dining room with all types of things. And here is the bedroom. And there's a big closet here, so that's good. And the best thing, in the bathroom, we can do laundry. So that's awesome. Yeah, I like this place. I think this is the perfect size. Okay, I'll talk with you later. This is Ollantaytambo, the ruins from the Inca time, and we're gonna go all the way to the top, and from there you can see the Inca city, the whole city, and they also have a fortress up in the top, so let's go check it out.
Mountain. That mountain you can see is the main Apu. Apu means sacred mountains protect all nature, no? That Apu.
So they put offerings inside of these holes with gold and flowers and plants and all different things for the gods.
The lower part, okay? Can you see the house in the lower part?
Yeah, the little square.
Yeah, this one. This is the ceremony sector. This is the water of the temple.
Yeah.
No, and original name is the Waka Yaku. Waka is ceremony, sacred place. Yaku is water. Inside you can see similar, no? Inside, a specific direction sunrise in the winter solstice. June 25, one layer right here, the water is good, it's pure. Connection with Pachamama, Mother Earth. Yeah, the royal family with authorization, the King Inca, they use just for the purification, the spirit. They made the dance, they worship for the water.
Here you can see the Inca cross. They represent Pachamama, Mother Earth, all the elements, different animals. And this is the puma head. This is fruit plantations, strawberries, and the Inca rail train track. Inca Watana. You think he went up here? Babe! Oh, look at that sunset! Oh, it's beautiful! This is where they made water ceremonies. So this is the sacred place where the Incas did water ceremonies, and this hole had perfect alignment with the sunshine that came in here. It's magical. Okay. Here they have different water fountains. All of them are sacred. Okay, so we're at the chocolate museum and I have ordered Maya chocolate. So it's hot milk, the chocolate melted, honey and chili. And how much? Oh, it's
All
like
of
a
it.
mousse. All of it. You have to wait for it to melt a little bit.